booth of Renesas Sensor Solutions. We have several sensor solutions here presented. I will start with impedance sensing. It's integrated into the steering wheel. The application is hands-on and hands-off detection. Important is really with the outstanding feature is that only 2 fingers are not enough, for example. So you really have to grab the steering wheel completely. Also, if you only put something else than a phone on this, it doesn't work. Then we have another solution. We have inductive position sensing and several in our applications integrated. We have, on the one hand, we have a steering angle sensor integrated to our application. Then we have it integrated into the position sensing of the pedal. What is really outstanding to this solution is that you don't need any magnets, so you don't have to care about the value chain of some of the most important parts you require for this. Then we also have a position sensing for the throttle of a two-wheeler. You can see here the solution. You have one coil moving, and this is also up to 0.2 degrees of accuracy, so very, very accurate, outstanding. Also, what is outstanding compared to magnetics or to a Hall sensing, it's less expensive. The overall BOM cost is better than compared to other solutions. As a last solution, we have sensor signal conditioning. They're integrated to the braking. It's about to condition the signal of pressure sensors, pressure and temperature sensors, or of force sensors. It's not only in braking, it's also in thermal management or internal combustion engines used in hybrids or these cars. In these products, we have an outstanding broad portfolio. We are the market leader with over 20 years of experience. And we serve also the future of electromechanical braking, brake-by-wire systems.